Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come this website. You can see this is officially website of Gigabyte www.gigabyte.com, and after that you can see this side right hand side third number, this is search button, so just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790D and then hit enter. Then you can see click on the product and this is your motherboard. Then click on the support. So select operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installation process same. Audio driver, this is size and this is download. You just click to download. And you can see this is start downloading. I already downloaded, just single click to open. And this is exe, so just double click. Now this is copying and extracting to your system. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then it is closed automatically, means this is installed.